So can you tell us one moment that positively impacted your time over here?
There are some positive moments, some that maybe I will take home with me, and maybe it was a cause to change my direction of life. Even that I'm an Imam in Albania, and my name is Abdullah. I'm giving you an example. First of all, my intention when I was coming here was that to make like a i'tikaf for myself. I'm going away from all the modern life there, and I'm keeping myself here, inshallah, learning some things, but mostly a little me time between me and Allah, because it's the right place for that. You have just brothers who just prays, making dua, pray tahajjud, they're remembering you, Allah, just by looking to their faces, and the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, just by seeing in their clothes and how they dress and how they sit and how they eat and how they sleep, in every single movement of them. But for example, I'm giving you an example, and I must be shy and not to tell this, but I'm giving you an example because in our country, in Albania, the life moves fast. And the life, it's not according to the rules that Allah and Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam wants. What's happening? We sometimes let important things and we don't do it. For example, it was my first time after 2 years nearly that I prayed duha and ishraq here with the brothers, and I felt that, and I still have that barakah of this morning that I prayed that salah. And it was amazing, wallahi, it was amazing, really. And subhanallah, everyone who wants a direction, everyone who has a goal to reach Allah and Rasulullah must pass this way here. Just pass here. Just pass here, and you will see by yourself where I'm inviting you to. You will see by yourself. You will not be able to go away again. And inshallah, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala azza wa jal, I will come again next year. Inshallah, I will bring other people with me, and I will try to make them understand what they are winning here and what they are losing if they let this go.